Okay, guys, so awesome here. So, got my little veneers. Okay, so as you can see, I don't have them on. Here go my little molding of my teeth, all jacked up, like wow, 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 Jackie, Jack, Jack. Okay, so I got my little veneers, and I was excited. Got your cute little cage. Go look in the mirror and put it in. Okay. These veneers are so good. I was really not expecting this. They literally just pop right on. Look at that. Look at that. Bam. And then, bam. Look at me. Cute. Now, I thought I was going to have a problem with talking. As you can see, I don't. And I was thinking like, oh my God, I'm not going to be able to eat. No, I can eat just fine. I should have brought some food to eat. But trust me, people love my teeth. They think that I just got them clean. Look at me. Get you some pop-off veneers. I'm telling you, it is worth your money.